What if the latest Gemini Apps update is about to change everything you thought you knew about app functionality? The recent Gemini Apps update brings a wave of significant changes and improvements that could transform your user experience. From enhanced performance features to intuitive design tweaks, this update promises to streamline how you interact with your favorite apps. In this video, you will see the most notable enhancements, including upgraded interfaces, faster processing, and new functionalities designed to boost productivity and enjoyment. So what's new? What's improved, and how these changes could redefine your daily tech interactions? 1. Enhanced user interface (UI) and user experience (UX). The most noticeable change in the Gemini app update is the revamped user interface, which provides a cleaner, more intuitive experience. The layout has been redesigned to streamline navigation, making it easier for users to find key features such as buying, selling, and tracking digital assets. Simplified dashboard. The dashboard now displays more personalized content, including portfolio performance, recent market news, and upcoming trends. This makes it easier for users to stay informed without leaving the app. Improved navigation. Tabs and menus have been reorganized to reduce clutter, allowing for quicker access to frequently used features such as account balances, asset management, and transaction history. Customizable layout. Users can now customize their home screens, setting up preferred features like tracking specific cryptocurrencies or news that aligns with their interests. 2. Advanced security enhancements. Security is a core concern in the cryptocurrency world, and Gemini continues to raise the bar with its latest app update. Several new security features have been introduced to ensure that user accounts remain protected against potential threats. Biometric authentication. Users can now enable biometric security measures such as Face ID or fingerprint recognition for added protection. This ensures that only authorized users can access the app, providing an extra layer of defense against hacking. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. Gemini has further refined its 2FA system, making it more seamless to set up and manage. Users can now authenticate using hardware security keys like YubiKey or time-based one-time password (TOTP) apps. Suspicious activity alerts. A new system has been implemented to track unusual account behavior, such as multiple failed login attempts or unfamiliar device access. In such cases, users are immediately notified and asked to confirm their identity, preventing unauthorized access. 3. Expanded support for altcoins and tokens. The latest update has significantly expanded Gemini's asset listings, making it a more versatile platform for investors interested in a wider range of cryptocurrencies and tokens. Increased altcoin listings. With support for over 100 new altcoins and tokens, users now have greater options for diversifying their portfolios. These additions include both established projects and emerging digital assets with high growth potential. Stablecoin and DeFi support. The app has also improved its integration with decentralized finance, DeFi, applications, and stablecoins, allowing users to explore new financial products and earn yield on their assets through DeFi protocols. 4. Gemini Earn program upgrades. Gemini Earn, the platform's popular feature that allows users to earn interest on their crypto holdings, has seen significant improvements. The new update provides more flexibility and higher rewards for participating users. Higher interest rates. With this update, Gemini has partnered with additional lending partners to offer more competitive interest rates on various assets. Some coins and stablecoins now have APYs, annual percentage yields that rival or surpass traditional savings accounts. Flexible payout options. Users now have the choice to receive their interest payments in different cryptocurrencies, not just in the coin they deposited. This flexibility allows for more strategic reinvestment and diversification. Improved transparency. The updated app now includes more detailed reporting on how and where users' assets are being lent, improving transparency and giving users confidence in their investments. 5. Crypto payments integration. One of the most exciting changes in the Gemini app update is the introduction of enhanced crypto payment options. The new integration makes it easier for users to spend their cryptocurrencies directly from the app. In-app payments. Users can now make payments directly from their Gemini wallets to merchants or other users. This functionality supports both online and in-person transactions, making it easier to use crypto in everyday situations. Gemini Pay expansion. Gemini Pay, which allows users to pay at various retail locations with cryptocurrency, has been expanded to include more merchants. This makes it simpler than ever to use Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies for real-world purchases. Instant conversions. For users who prefer to spend stablecoins or local currencies, the app now supports instant conversions. This means users can convert their crypto into fiat and make payments in seconds, avoiding volatility issues. Fix. Real-time analytics and reporting. Investors who want more insights into their portfolio performance and the broader market can now access real-time analytics and reporting tools directly within the app. Advanced charting tools. The app update introduces advanced charting tools with customizable timeframes and indicators, allowing users to conduct more in-depth technical analysis. This is ideal for active traders looking to capitalize on short-term price movements. Tax reporting features. Users can now easily export transaction data for tax reporting purposes. The app automatically categorizes trades, deposits, withdrawals, and gains/losses, making it simpler to file accurate tax returns at the end of the year. Real-time alerts. The latest version of the app also enables real-time alerts for price changes, volume spikes, and market news. Users can set up custom notifications for specific cryptocurrencies to stay on top of important developments. 7. Seamless fiat integration. One of the challenges in crypto adoption has always been the seamless integration between fiat currencies and cryptocurrencies. Gemini has made significant strides in this area with its latest app update. Faster fiat deposits and withdrawals. Gemini has partnered with major banks to offer faster processing of fiat deposits and withdrawals. This feature enables users to fund their accounts or cash out their holdings in record time, reducing waiting periods and improving liquidity. Multi-currency support. Users can now hold and trade multiple fiat currencies within the Gemini app. This update is particularly beneficial for international users who want to trade in their local currencies without incurring excessive conversion fees. Debit card integration. The app now supports direct debit card integration for purchases, allowing users to buy cryptocurrencies using their debit cards without needing to go through a lengthy deposit process. 8. Institutional-grade features. While Gemini has always catered to retail investors, the latest update includes several new features aimed at institutional investors and high-net-worth individuals. Custody services. Gemini's custody services have been enhanced with even more secure storage options for institutional investors. These services now include multi-signature vaults, geographically distributed storage, and insurance coverage for added peace of mind. Block trading. The app now supports block trading for institutional clients, allowing them to execute large trades with minimal market impact. This feature is crucial for high-volume traders who want to maintain price stability during significant transactions. Dedicated account managers. High-net-worth individuals and institutional clients can now access dedicated account managers through the app, offering personalized assistance and tailored investment strategies. 10. Environmental and sustainability initiatives. As part of its commitment to sustainability, Gemini has introduced several features aimed at reducing the environmental impact of cryptocurrency trading. Green energy options. Gemini now offers users the option to offset the carbon emissions associated with their crypto transactions. By partnering with green energy initiatives, users can choose to make their trades carbon neutral. Sustainable investments. The app highlights cryptocurrencies and projects that prioritize environmental sustainability, helping users make more eco-conscious investment decisions. Gemini's latest app update brings a host of exciting changes that significantly improve user experience, security, and functionality. From enhanced UI/UX to expanded altcoin support, advanced security features, and new payment options, this update sets a new standard for what users can expect from a cryptocurrency exchange platform. Whether you're a casual investor, an institutional trader, or a crypto enthusiast looking to explore new markets, the improved Gemini app offers a comprehensive and user-friendly solution for managing digital assets in today's fast-paced financial landscape.